Good afternoon and welcome to my monthly shareholders update, the only day in the month where if you ask me what I do for a living, I will not say nothing. I'm working on three projects. One is a one is a artistic project and two are software ones. The artistic project I'm working on is a science fiction, myth fiction novel called Silence in the Sky. The idea is to take modern technological concepts and put them in the sense of philosophical, mythological horror. For example, this is how I talk about GPS in my book. The book is fully finished. Shout out to L, who's helping me come up with ideas on how to publish it. If you have any contacts in the publishing, marketing, distribution industries, or if you want to read my book, please scan this QR code. There's a sample chapter, and you can confirm interest for the full book. I'd really appreciate it. Second project I'm working on is something called Mindspace. Mindspace is the collection of all human wisdom presented as a constellation of wisdom. Each star is something that somebody in my life has taught me, and they are grouped together based on semantic similarity. But that's not all. You can dissect this data in all sorts of interesting ways. You can learn about what old people say versus what young people say, or you could learn about what men say versus women say. The idea is to collect more data and come up with more interesting dichotomies like artist, scientist, rich, poor, etc., and just learn as much as possible, possibly make a machine learning model. The last project is Aether. This is a conversational gamified to-do list app. There is a dungeon master. If you talk to the dungeon master, it will come up with tasks for you based on what you talked about. Each task is mapped to a certain skill tree. Each skill tree is mapped to your profile, which is gamified. The AI will also come up with interesting little filters like tags and due dates and priorities all by itself. And not just that, it will look at your previous tasks and then come up with new tasks that align to what you've done before. It is currently under testing in the Google Play Store. If you have an Android phone, please reach out to me. And thank you.